That easy. AutoCAD Workspaces. Let's left-click on the Customize Quick Access Toolbars icon. Let's left-click on the Workspace option. Now let's display the Workspaces drop-down blind. Let's choose the 3D Basic Space with a left-click. Let's unfold the fold-out blind again. Let's choose the 3D modeling space with a left-click. Let's display the drop-down shutter again and now choose the 2D drafting and annotation space. Let's close this window now with a left-click on its closing cross. Comments. Even though we can switch workspaces without having to close the in-progress drawing of a 2D, 3D project, this can be somewhat tedious and time-consuming. A custom 2D, 3D interface, with everything you need, will save you a lot of time and money. So let's start developing it now with the T208 Custom Workspaces tutorial from That Easy.